Yes, well, we have an old dryer here, and Mark decided that he is going to repair it, and he's taken it apart, and it looks like the heating element needs to be replaced. Found one online for about $24 delivered. Yahoo! I was saying, yeah, let's just buy a new dryer, but we're trying to conserve what we spend money on. So if we can get this one operating for $25 for another year or so, good news.
Care and pharmacy. Be prepared for any seasonal flu with a Contagion Emergency Kit. Order online in minutes and save $50. Plus, you'll receive a free medical-grade nebulizer. Visit preparedagain.com/safe. Promo code SAFE. That's preparedagain.com/safe. Promo code SAFE.
Okay, well, the dryer is back together again. Mark had to change the heating element, and then we found that the belt that spun the chamber, I guess, inside the drum also was destroyed. So we ordered a new belt and, you know, had it in pieces here in the room for quite a while. But when the new belt arrived, we tackled it together. And last night I dried the first jeans that I had washed. Now, when I was washing clothing, I was hanging them on hangers to dry, which worked, you know, it was, but Mark insisted that he fix the dryer. So we did that. And yeah, yesterday I finished drying the jeans that I had washed in the dryer. And, you know, so did a load of, and this morning I washed my sheets. So the washer works, the dryer works, everything is great. So yeah, the thing spins, it heats, we're all good. It's not much of a dryer, but it does the job, so I'm not complaining. So this is Tony and Mark, and I think these days it's more Mark's homestead skills, but it all works. It's all good.